Hi there, I'm Levente Juhász, a third-year PhD student with the University of Florida's Geomatics program. This short video is to explain the research project that I'm currently investigating with my major advisor, Hartwig Hochmar. Thanks for joining in.
We live in an era where smartphones have become part of our everyday lives. Since these devices can determine their geographic location, they allow you to leave your spatial footprints on the web. Many apps such as Twitter, Instagram or Yelp use this locational information and attach it to the content that's being generated by you. The joint efforts of millions and millions of users and the utilization of the data generated by those who use these applications is called crowdsourcing. In my field of research, the term volunteer geographic information, for short VGI, is used to describe the spatial component that can be found in the content generated by all these users. An example of VGI is an outdoor image that you share on Flickr or on Instagram while on vacation. Collectively, users generate enormous amounts of geolocated images that can be later used, for example, to identify preferred tourist destinations. Another application that uses crowdsourcing is called OpenStreetMap, which is an online platform that facilitates the creation of map data like roads, buildings, and other map features. The outcome of this project is a map similar to Google Maps, except that it's being generated voluntarily by regular people just like you and me. By nature, OpenStreetMap allows anyone to contribute more detailed map features like park benches or water fountains, and also to create detailed maps in remote areas that are otherwise out of the scope of commercial map providers.
We analyze if and how users participate in different crowdsourcing applications. The spatial footprints that they leave on the web through their activities allow us to study their travel destinations on Earth, for example. By combining their contributions in multiple crowdsourcing applications, we expect to learn more about their travel destinations and also what kind of information they can provide.
This video shows the locations of my Instagram photos and my check-ins to Foursquare over time. As you can see, each data source represents a slightly different activity area, and by combining both sources, we can get a more detailed idea of my own travel behavior. We also plan to analyze to what extent people connect information between different crowdsourcing applications. In this example, a volunteer mapper used a street-level photo from Mapillary to map a building in OpenStreetMap along with its name, eventually connecting the two data sources.
We hope that analyzing contributions from multiple platforms will provide us a better understanding of human movement, which could be useful for a number of purposes. For example, it could be used for modeling human-carried diseases, estimating carbon dioxide emissions caused by human travel, or for improving some travel recommendation systems for tourists. Our research will also show how a combination of data from different platforms can improve data quality, which is essential in geospatial applications. For example, emergency response teams in the case of natural disasters rely on accurate map data, which is often not available from commercial providers in remote areas. On the other hand, crowdsourced projects can facilitate this need easily. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and got excited about this project. Thanks.